Open the Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings. In the Settings page, search PDF Documents in the search bar. So click on PDF Documents. Make sure always download PDF files is turned off and PDF Viewer is on. These allow PDFs to open directly in Edge instead of downloading it. Scroll down and click Reset Settings. Choose Restore Settings to their default values. Then confirm by clicking Reset. So click the three dots again for the checking for Edge updates. Then you need to go to Help and Feedback. Select about Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and install them if available. So once updated, restart the browser. And that's it.